How's everybody doing? No? Oh, sorry about the mess there, Carol. I got all excited. I just got some cereal. It's like the snowmobile you were gonna buy. Gene said he had another buyer. I turned on the old Noel Char. March it on over here, little man. I told you about the song. Can I put your head on my wall? You hear? Come, cookie dough. Oh, hey, wait. Remember when they came out with Captain Avalanche's Super Sled? The one with the glacier grappling hook and zipline action.
Oh, yeah. I remember that thing.
Man, we sure wanted that sled, huh? Yeah, too bad that beat.
We're in the belly of the beast, my friend. One of us might die.
You want a picture?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Yeah, we actually have a ramp right here if you just want to roll up
Oh,
in
that's
there.
sweet. Thank you.
Of course,
Future
man.
elf of the year here. Follow my name. Well, down. You see it? No, stomp on that.
No, wait!
Alright. Be careful, got a bit of a lip here.
Oh, I'll go back.
Okay.
Thank you.
Stand down. Okay, Bunny, let's bounce.
Thanks.
Of course,
Can I get one of just a scooter in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll get all. I can walk a little.
Okay.
$800 or $900. Yeah, actually, it goes about 15 miles an hour. It folds up like a stroller.
That's great.
Yeah, it's really nice.
So, your friends are never gonna get into my fortress, Santa's helper. No, good win. Of course, Honey gets to never use the magic word. Yes! Oops.
Those ones are cool.
What's wrong with me?
You! Me? What did I do?
You take everything from me! And I'm sick of you showing me out!
Hey, this is about Dolores. I told you, I never saw the mistletoe.
It's about Dolores, it's about the circle! It's about all of this!
We've been so great being together on this mission.
This mission is a disaster! I didn't want you along, I never wanted you along! I wish I never had a brother! Super slow.
93%.
94. Wait, they get through there?
A super sled.
Hello, JollyTown. How is everyone? Alright, perfect. JollyTown will be closing down in about 40 to 45 minutes. Please make sure that you go grab a good meal from the top, check out our gift shop, grab those last minute Christmas items, make sure to tell us
The red beanie.
Oh really? I have so many. I don't need that.
picture of the one-size photo.
They should give him the beanie for free. What? I said since he works there, they should give him the beanie for free.
Once again.
Wait, are the cookies free?
Yeah, they're free cookies. They have eggs.
This is free drink.
Huh? Oh.
Oh, for a survey. Okay. Yeah. Look. Hey.
Heading over to the geek's office right now, you know.
There's the reindeer's trailer, Vixen, I think. There's a Honda. Got those coils cut. Maybe.
There's a storm alert over Sector 7.
Look, Tracer, we are just tiny roots of some gigantic trees. Paving away, all for what? For him. Just look at his face, man.
You don't understand, sir. The site's not prepped. We have no choice.